Lily! Lily! Nugget is gone! What do you mean gone? He's in his cage. No, he's not! Look, the door is open! Oh no, did you leave it open again? I don't think so. I was just giving him a carrot. We have to find him before Mom gets home. She's gonna be so mad at me. Stay calm. Where did you see him last? He was in his cage when I gave him the carrot. Then he must have escaped right after. Let's search the living room first. I'll check under the sofa. I'll look behind the bookshelf. I don't see him under here. Just dust and an old toy. Check the curtains. He loves climbing curtains. He's not here either. Where could he be? Think, Max. Did you open any doors? I opened the back door to get some fresh air. Oh no, he could have gone outside. Wait, I see tiny paw prints. I didn't think of that. Nugget, come back. Let's follow them. They lead to the pantry. Shh, I think I hear something. Shh, open it slowly. There he is! He's eating my favorite cereal! Nugget! You scared us to death! Oh, thank goodness. I thought we lost you forever. How did you even get in there? He must have squeezed through the gap under the pantry door. We need to close that gap. And we need to lock his cage properly. You're the one who always forgets to lock it. I know. I'm so sorry. I'll be more careful from now on. It's okay. The important thing is we found him. Do we have to tell Mom? Yes, we should. She'll find out anyway. But she'll be so disappointed in me. She'll be proud of us for working together and not panicking.
What's all the noise in here?
Mom, I have something to tell you.
Is everything all right? You both look worried.
Nugget escaped from his cage.
But we found him!
Oh my, is he safe? Yes, he's right there, in that cereal box. That cereal box. How did he get in there?
How did he get in?
Max left the back door open and the cage unlocked.
Max, that was very careless.
I know, Mom. I'm really sorry every single time from now on.
I appreciate you telling me the truth. And I'm glad you both worked together to find him.
We followed his paw prints and heard him squeaking.
That's called teamwork. I'm proud of you both. So,
you're not mad?
I'm a little disappointed about the careless, but I'm very proud of you for being honest and solving the problem.
I love you, Mom, and I love you too, Nugget. Let's put him back in his cage and lock it properly this time. Deal. And I'll even give him extra sunflower seeds as a treat.
That sounds like a perfect plan. Just remember, a pet is a big responsibility.
I won't forget again, I promise. And if you ever need help, just ask me. We're a team. Yeah, team siblings forever.
Now, who wants to help me make dinner?
Me! But only if Nugget can watch from his cage.
He can be our dinner supervisor.